It's a trade that spans centuries, and today a Vermont man is giving carpentry a modern twist.
What started as a way to share videos has turned into a platform for his passion.
Reporter Joe Carroll takes us behind the scenes of Ken's carpentry.
I saw you drive in, and I started.
Arriving in Linden, I receive a taste of my own medicine.
This is my daughter, Lauren.
A camera turned on me at Ken Grant's home.
I have the camera rolling. I wanted to see you
You see, Ken is a YouTube creator with millions of views through the years.
All right, let's do it.
Sure. With a tiny house, it's hard to get around sometimes. Hit like and subscribe.
I think it's part of who he is. It's just so charming to people. He's like Mr. Rogers and Bob Ross.
Is it running? I've had troubles with this phone.
His daily videos aren't slick, but real.
And this one piece goes underneath.
The retired home builder has been working on this tiny house since the summer, putting in 9 hours a week with the camera always rolling.
So that's that.
He'll sell this one when it's finished.
I was at one point making more money doing YouTube than I was working. We'll put the whole thing together. I'll be using 2-inch screws.
Simply put,
I had to go to the dentist and get a tooth pulled.
the more eyeballs watching his videos, the more ad revenue. But it's the comments that keep Ken going, including a mother of a young watcher.
7-year-old son watches your channel. I said, a 7-year-old son? She said he really likes carpentry and is wanting to learn stuff. I don't know, I really enjoyed that.
He's the same person at home that he is on camera. He's maybe even more goofy at home, but it's pretty great.
His followers are from all over the planet,
Quite a few people from Canada make comments.
and he responds to every one of them. From the tiny house to the big house is where Ken does his editing.
I have about 20 video clips.
Good morning, everyone. Guess what? This is the big day.
A most unusual shoot, where the happy dance brings the world together.
As of March 2026, Grant has about 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
And that's it for us at Investigate TV Plus. I'm Lee Zurich.
And I'm Dee Chappelle. Thanks for watching.